Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to get lower ping in 30 seconds. Alright, let's begin. First, open any browser on your device and search for 1.1.1.1. This will take you to Cloudflare's official DNS website. Once you're there, download the software that matches your device, whether it's Windows, macOS, Android, or iPhone. After the download is complete, install the software and launch it. On the main screen, simply click the Connect button to enable the secure DNS service. This automatically routes your internet traffic through Cloudflare's optimized servers, which can significantly reduce ping and latency during online gaming or streaming. Next, tap the settings icon at the bottom of the app and make sure it's set to the simple 1.1.1.1 version, instead of the warp option. This ensures you get the fastest and most stable connection possible. Once everything is connected, you're all set and ready to enjoy smoother, faster online performance. So that's basically how you can get lower ping in 30 seconds. That's it for this video, thanks.